In a pond where lilies bloom, Freddy the Frog would leap and zoom. With a hop and a splash, he'd start his day. But oh, poor Freddy forgot his way.
What to do? Oh, what's my plan?
Freddy thought as hard as he can.
Was it flies with Barry or a trip to the bog? I just can't remember,
sighed the frog. He found Barry floating on a leaf so wide, his little bug friend with a grin so snide.
Barry, tell me, was it flies today?
No, silly Freddy, you forgot. No way. You tried to eat a pebble last time too. I laughed so hard I nearly flew.
Oh dear,
said Freddy.
Then what's my task? Perhaps Granny Frog will know if I ask.
So he hopped to Granny, her glasses askew, knitting a scarf in a lovely blue.
Granny! Oh, Granny, what did I say? Did I plan to visit you today?
Oh, Freddy dear, your mind's a haze. Weren't you fly fishing with Tom these days?
Of course,
cried Freddy.
I mustn't be late.
And off he hopped at a speedy rate. At the pond, he saw Tom snooze in the sun. Freddy croaked loud.
Tom, isn't it fun? Grab the rod, let's fish for flies.
Fly fishing. Freddy, open your eyes. We planned a race. Come on, let's go. Ready, set, hop. It's a race to the flow.
Freddy leapt high and splashed so wide, straight into a duck on the other side.
Quack!
Cried the duck.
Watch where you steer!
Freddy just smiled.
I'm having fun here.
At last, Freddy sat on his lily once more, his belly sore and his legs quite sore.
I forgot my plan, but I don't feel bad, because today was the most fun I've had.